Tri-band AC2100 Mesh Wi-Fi System, MW12. Tenda MW12 is a high-speed full-house mesh Wi-Fi router. Tri-band aggregates wireless speed up to 2100 megabytes per second, and 3 bands can be used as backhaul to eliminate the lag while multiple devices streaming at the same time. The concentrated signal makes sure stronger and more stable multi-story home Wi-Fi coverage. You can enjoy best signal in any corner. Seamless roaming between multiple nodes always connects the devices with the best performance node while the device is freely moving around in your house. MW12 adopts dual-core design with huge capacity, which can meet all devices of the whole family. All Nova units are delivered pre-paired right out of the box and can be used as an extra unit. A new node is added to original Nova network with only 3 simple steps. The state-of-the-art Tenda Wi-Fi app can easily remote control your mesh network. MW12 is the best choice for your whole home mesh Wi-Fi system.